Good morning, my dear students. Today's topic is packaging and labeling. Packaging and labeling decision. Here, product packaging and labeling is very important. Packaging is the science and art, technology of enclosing or protecting the products for distribution, storage, sales and use purpose. Here, packaging is very important purpose for products. Here, packaging is a science and art. By the help of the packaging only, we can protect the product and we can store the product, we can sell or use the product. Packaging also refers to the process of design, evaluation, and production of packages. The main purpose of packaging is brand identification. Packages contributes to instant recognition of a company's brand. By the help of packing only, we can identify the Tata brand, Reliance, HUL, ITC. If there is no packing, we cannot identify the brand name. Coming to the physical protection, the objects enclosed in the package may require protection from, among the others, shock, vibrations, compression, temperature, and etc. Here, by the help of packaging only, we can protect the good inside the packing. For example, from shock, vibrations, compression, temperatures. Barrier protection. A barrier from oxygen, water, vapor, dust, etc. is often required. Permeation is a critical factor in design. Some packages contain desiccants or oxygen absorbers to help extend shelf life. Here, barrier protection. Here, packaging is one of the barrier protection of that particular product. It will not enter, allows the water or oxygen inside to the product. If a water or air is entered, some products will be spoiled. Example, food packages, keeping the contents clean, fresh, and safe for intent. Shelf life is primary function here. And coming to containment or agglomeration, small objects are typically grouped together in one package for reasons of efficiency. Here, several objects are there. Those are very small. So typically grouped together in one package for reasons of efficiency. For example, a box of 1,000 pencils are requires less physical handling that 1,000 single pencils is tough, but containment is necessary. Here, for liquids, powders, granules needed the containment. For example, water packets, milk packets, curd packets. For liquid items, containment is very necessary, and powders also. According to the product type, the containment is necessary. It's depend upon the type of the product. And marketing. The packaging can be used by marketers to encourage the potential buyers to purchase the product. Here, packing will be advertise about the product. For example, Tata Gold Cave tea packet is there. It will tell us that about the product, particular ingredients, process of preparing the tea, benefits of the tea, and manufacturing date and expiry date, price of the product. In this way, this packing will promote that particular product to the market. Packaging design have been important constantly evolving phenomenon for several decades. Marketing communications and graphic designs are applied. Surface of package, in many cases, point of sale display. Here, the packing design will used for point of sale display purpose also. Security. Packaging can play an important role for protecting the product and it will reduce the security risk. Shipment packages can be made with improvement tamper resistance to deter tampering and also have tamper evident features to help indicate tampering. Here, the main purpose of packaging is protecting the product and security purpose. It will minimize the risk of the security. Here, packaging is very useful for shipmenting of the products. Some packages constructions are more resistant to pilferage. Some have pilfer indicating seals and convenience. Packages can have features which add convenience in distribution, handling, stacking, display, sale, opening, reclosing, use and reuse. Here packaging is very useful for convenience, distribution purpose, handling purpose, stacking purpose, display purpose, sale purpose, opening purpose, and reclosing and using and reusing purpose. For all these purposes only, packaging is very important factor. Portion control. Single serving or single dose packaging have precise amount of contents. Control usage. Bulk commodities such as salt can be divided into packages more suitable size of individual house like half kg and kg and 5 kg packets. It also aids control of inventory. Selling the sealed 1 liter bottles of milk rather than having people bring their own bottles to fill themselves. Here, packaging is also controlling the product. Packaging decisions from the perspective of both the farm and consumers. Packaging must achieve a number of objectives. Here, packaging will identify the brand and it convey the descriptive and pervasive information. By packaging only we can able to identify the brand and the product which company it is related to. And description will help us to about knowing the particular information of product and facilitate product transportation protection. Assist at home storage. By packaging, it will help to storage purpose at home. It must be confirmed to develop an effective packaging that these objectives are fulfilled. Here, packaging size and shape has to decide that what the exact size of package is and in what shape should be packaged. Here, according to the product design only, packaging also design. If the product is in the square shape, the packaging will be square shape. If the product is a rectangle shape, then packaging will be the rectangle shape. Here, packaging shape and size is depending upon size and shape and quantity of the product. Packaging colors, text, and graphics. To attract the customers in the market, they will use appealing colors, text, graphics on it. Color must be particular, carefully mentioned. Blue is cool and serene. Red is actively and lively. Yellow is medicinal and weak. Paste colors are feminine and dark colors are masculine. Similarly, text and graphics also have a great psychology. Here, according to psychological impact of customers should be chosen carefully. Here, different colors, different text will having the different meanings according to psychology. So, we want to study the psychology and choose the relevant colors and text towards our product. Then it will help to our increase the product sale in the market. And packaging cushion material. Cushioning is the part of packaging which protects the article from damage due to shock and vibration. Here, many people will package with cushion materials. So it will protect the product without damaging shock and vibrations. Shock protection against vibration is important. Here, packaging will protect the product from the shock and protect against abrasion. And here, packaging will protect the product from grease-proof, waterproof, and solid blocks. Protection of moisture vapors, barriers at point of contact. Your packing will protect the product from moisture and small projections. Filling of void space in container. Other secondary purpose also. Packaging is very useful. See, here number of examples. Here different colors, different brands, different items, different product lines have packaged in a different manner. Labeling decision. Labeling decision, display of information about a product on its container, packaging or product itself. Here, the display of information tells about that particular product, how to use the product, what are the ingredients used in this product, what are the benefits of this product, expiry date, manufacturing date, price of the product. And it gives the information about product, service, and company, and etc. Types of labeling in marketing. Branded product labels. Product needs to be branded to help with identification and play a key role in company brand building programs. Here, brand of product labels is useful for brand building programs, branding the products, branding the company, branding the items. There are two types of branded labels, removable and non-removable labels, which are permanent, which are temporary labels. Eco or informational labels. Here, information labels are eco labels. Here, information labels are eco labels are used for consumer products such as food stuff, fast moving consuming goods. Example, FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, biscuits, chocolates, cosmetics, and home needs, etc. Eco-friendly means environmental friendly products. Coming to other product label types are, there are number of different label types that are in common usage around the world, that are regular mass produced by specialist printing services. Here, a label needs to compare with competition. Consumer Act 2010. This act is required to give an information to consumers such as the mandatory consumer product information standards under CCA. Here, the consumer product information should follow the CCA guidelines. Here, industry-specific regulations such as Food Standard Code, labels required by the customs for some imported products under the Commerce Trade Description Act. Here, our product labels want to follow the Consumer Protection Act and Industrial Standards Act and Trade and Commerce Act. Thanking you, my dear students. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.